Hi and welcome back to the kitchen this morning, and it is this morning, it's almost lunchtime, and we're going to do this. It's Ben's original special fried rice. Now, we've done special fried rice before. We've done the Aldi fried rice, and that was $2. This one was on special at Woolies at $2. Now, normally these are around $4, which I think is a bit much. But the difference is this pouch of special fried rice is not rock hard. Aldi's rice is really hard in the pouch. It's like it's been in the truck and compressed, and it feels really stiff. This one is nice and soft, so don't know what's in it. But, well, I do. It's fried rice. But we're going to see if it's any good. I'm sure it is. And it says Ben's original. Used to be Uncle Ben's. We have Uncle Ben's here in our area, and they're the dog or the pet food people. And I think they just want to distance themselves from the Uncle Ben's sort of thing. And it's now Ben's original special. I'm sure it's going to be okay. Anyway, let's get the yucca wrap over it and see how bad or how good it is. And the app says 60% and good. Right, let's get this in the microwave for 90 seconds and see how things turn out. Okay, and here she comes out of the microwave. Oh, that smells gorgeous. Let's pour it in. There's a bit more to it, I think. Wow. Okay, there it is. A special fried rice from Uncle Ben's. All right, it's time for a taste test of the Ben's special fried rice. As we like to call it here, Uncle Ben. All right, let's have a go. Interesting, it's softer than the Aldi one. And it did when I first opened the packet. You could smell the garlic and the chili and everything. I think it's chili. Got little red bits. It could be tomato. I don't know. But it's not very spicy. And I'm here to tell you, I actually prefer the Aldi version. I thought I was going to like this. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad. But it has a flavour I'm not used to. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. But if you wanted to pay $3.50, $4 for this, or $2 for the Aldi fried rice, I'd pay the $2 for the Aldi fried rice. This, give it a score out of 10, I'd give it a 5. It's not a lot of flavour at all. Where the Aldi fried rice, you've got everything in it. It seems like it's better. This is very flat. It's not cardboardy, but it's sort of getting there. In my taste, anyway. And I want to eat it, and I want to say it's terrific. And you know what time it is now. There's only one thing that's going to save this. Bit of Frank's Red Hot. And I think that's what it needs, is flavour. Come along. Come on. This is the Frank's Extra Thick, or Frank's Thick. Excuse the noise. All right, there we go. Now we'll mix this in. See if this brings it back up, because it had very, let's just say, subtle flavour, virtually none. And it's got supposedly got all these things in it. It's supposed to look like that, or like that, and it's supposed to taste good. And it wasn't tasting anyway. Here we go. Oh yeah, straight away. Yep, straight away. That lifts it. That lifts it off the deck and into a flavour envelope sort of thing. But yeah, just a splash of Frank's Red Hot brings it up to where you want to eat it, or I want to eat it. Yeah. And I'm actually disappointed. And the Aldi one, not that I have a preference for Aldi. If anybody else was selling it for $2, I'd buy that too. This is round about the $4 mark, I think. $3.50, $4 at Woolies, and it's safe, and at IGA. Could be at Coles too. But I prefer the Aldi one. It's cheaper and has more flavour. But if you do get this one, put a bit of either Tabasco or Sriracha or a Frank's Red Hot. Something like that. I'll bring it back. But yeah, it's a bit of a shame. Frank's Red Hot saved the day again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and the all word that comes down. And that pushes the video out to the algorithm so more people can get eyeballs on our video. Thanks for watching again. Thanks to Frank's Red Hot. Yes! And we'll catch up with you in our next video. See you soon.